Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the post notification bell so you never miss when I upload. If you are already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back for today's video. I'm going to be doing a eyeshadow look using the LA Colors Peach Fizz palette. If you like and enjoy these type of videos, keep watching. Today's video, I'm going to be using my new LA Colors Peach Fizz palette. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I showed all three of the palettes I picked up. And this is the Peach Fizz, Lemon Drop, and I got Berry Kiss. And all three of these palettes were only $2.50 a piece. And I love LA Colors eyeshadow palettes. I also have a video on my channel doing a natural eyeshadow look using two of the LA Colors palettes. So if you haven't watched that video, go and check that one out. Okay, and the first shade I'm going to be taking is this pretty neutral shade right here. It doesn't have the name of the eyeshadows on it. That's the only thing that I don't like about the palette. But I'm going to go ahead and take this all over my lid. I used a little bit of Airspun to set my concealer on my eye, so hopefully it wouldn't crease too bad. So I'm just gonna go over that with a little bit of this neutral shade. Okay, and then the next shade I'm going to be taking is this pretty, it's a dark orange shade. And I'm going to take that shade right on in my crease area. Ooh, it is really pigmented. I'm just going to blend that out because it's a little darker than I thought. Look how pigmented that is. I knew these was going to be some good eyeshadow palettes because I always use LA Colors palettes, but I did not know that they had these. That's why I had to get all three, and for $2.50 you cannot beat that. You get 9 shades. Okay, and the next shade I'm going to be taking is this brown shade right here. I just wish that they had names. And I'm going to take that a little above the shade that I just applied. Just a little I love the way this brush blends that shade out. It came in one of my Ipsy glam bags and I just love it. I love the way it's blending out this shade. I think I've used this one before in a video. Love it. Okay, and the next shade I'm going to take is this light peach shade. And I'm just going to pack that all over my lid. And I like these palettes because you don't have to do a whole lot of, you don't have to dip in them like to get them on the brush. Some you have to like really dip in there to get some product out. These I just love them. Okay, and to go on top of that shade, I'm going to take another flat brush and I'm going to go in with this pretty gold. You know I had to do it. You know I just had to do it. I just could not add a little shimmer. Just a little bit. Not much. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, next I'm going to be taking this pretty champagne shade and I'm going to put that, a little bit of it on my brow bone. Tap some of it off. Okay, then I'm going to take my LA Colors eyeliner and I'm going to get my eyes ready for lashes. I'm not going to do a wing. Okay, and the next shade I'm going to be taking is more of a peach shade. I'm going to be taking it in my waterline. Instead of using an eyeliner, I'm just going to use this. I love doing looks like this without eyeliner. Especially when it's a darker shade like this, really pigmented shade. Okay, now I'm going to take my Covergirl Lashblast and prime my eyelashes for my mascara. Okay, and for mascara, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Maneater mascara. It's some good mascara. It was a free gift from Ulta. And I've never tried the Maneater. I've seen it, but I haven't never purchased it. Or tried it until now. But I love it. I love the one. You know I love a good mascara one. Okay, and for lashes, I'm going to be taking the... This is a new style. I have wore these before. And they are the 5D Broadway Lashes in 5D 27. And I love them. I love the way they are so wispy. I love that. But they're thick. Okay, I'm going to be applying my lashes off camera, and I will come back with the finished look. Okay, I'm back with the finished look. This is the way the look turned out once I finished the rest of my face and applied my lashes. I really love this lip combination. I will be listing everything that I used on my face in the description bar below. But I really love this LOREAL palette. I highly suggest picking this one up. I love all the pretty shades in this palette. Even though I did not get to use every last one of them, the only one that I really did not get to use was this metallic peach shade and the beige. I did not get to use that one, but I pretty much used every one except for those two. But I love the way the look come out. It is real peachy looking, and these lashes just brings the whole look together. But I will be doing looks with the other two palettes, and you can't beat these for $2.50. And I picked mine up at Dollar General. So if you have a Dollar General, I highly suggest getting these eyeshadow, well, this eyeshadow palette. I haven't tried the other ones yet, but I will be trying to do a eyeshadow look using the other two. Love it. Okay, that is it. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit your post notification bell so you never miss when I upload. Share the video. Follow me on Instagram at MissHighMaintenance_33. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.